What is up, you guys? Today we're going over the best one-step evaluation programs. So number one is Funded Trading Plus. The cool thing about this is you can get funded and paid out within 3 days. Plus the profit split is up to 90%. So 90% goes to you, 10% goes to Funded Trading Plus. It will start 80-20 though, and then move up to 90-10. The profit target is 10%. Leverage is up to 30x leverage. And the only rule really is that you have the relative drawdown of 6% and a daily drawdown of 3%. And it starts off with a $12,500 account for $119 all the way up to a $200K account. I do have a coupon code for you guys, Markus 10, to save 10% off of your order, as you guys can see. So you can save some money on the price. There is a scaling plan where you can actually make it all the way to 2.5 million if you keep on making the 10% profit. You can basically scale up your account like that. So even if you start off with 12,500, you can still make it up to 2.5 million. So it's very unique to Funded Trading Plus that you can do this on a one-step evaluation program. So check it out in the description below. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is My Funded FX. They also provide a two-step evaluation, but let's look at the one-step. 10% on the profit target. You have unlimited time to achieve it. You have a max trailing stop loss of 6% and maximum daily loss of 4%. The trailing loss will continue to be there after you've been funded, and you can withdraw the profits in 14 days after you got funded. But this one starts off at a lower price, so you can get a 5K account for $50, so it's a lower entry fee, and a 10K challenge for $100, and it moves all the way up to 200K for $950, and the profit split is 80%. Let's move on to the next one, Search Trader. A lot of hype about this one. The packages go from 25,000 to even 1 million in funding. The prices are pretty much the same, guys. The profit split goes up to 90%, but here's the thing, the daily loss limit is 4%, but the max trailing drawdown is 5%, so you have 1% less drawdown. The lowest entry fee is also a little bit higher. There's no 5K challenge, there's no 12.5K challenge. It goes straight away to 25K. The standard profit share is 75, but if you put your leverage to 10x leverage, then it can be increased to 90%. So it's all up to you how you're trading. This is an American company though, so if you're in America, you want a regulated prop firm, then that might be a selling point for this firm because it is secure in that way and it's a very solid company. So do check them out in the description below. And the next one is Traders with an Edge, and we're going to be talking about the turtle method. So it also starts off with 5K for $55 all the way up to 1 million for $7,500, and it's pretty similar, guys. The only thing is you have a max loss of 2.5% and a max trailing loss of 5%. Also, your profit share is 80%, 20x leverage. The thing about this one, why I have it a bit lower, because there are quite a few rules with this prop firm, and there's stop loss required. For example, max account risk, so you can only risk 2% per trade. So that is why I have this a little bit lower, but overall it's pretty much the same. Just those rules make it a little bit more difficult, but if you do want to check it out in the description below. So lastly, guys, Funded Next. So it is the express challenge, not the evaluation challenge, and with this one you need to gain 25% and your drawdown is 10%. You can take as long as you want to achieve that, and while you're still gaining that 25%, you still get 15% of all the profits made even during your trial period. So even when you're trying to get that 25%, you can still withdraw 15% monthly. So that is one unique thing about this. If you want to withdraw cash while you're still doing the challenge, then this might be a nice option for you. So after achieving the 25% and you get the funded account, your first withdrawal will be 60% for you, 40% to them. And on the next withdrawal, it will be 75% to you, 25% to them. After the third, it's 90% to you, 10% to them. So it does take a while before we get to that 90%, but you will still get there. And it is a little bit of a longer journey, guys. It's a bit of a longer journey to that 25%, but you do have a bigger drawdown and you can withdraw while you're still doing the challenge. So that is a good thing in my opinion. And the 15K account is $99, so it's probably the cheapest one out of all of them. So check this one out in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.